There's my boy Virgil. He wants to ask y'all to do something.
Press the subscribe button and the notifications bell right below this video.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, folks. Please subscribe, like, and share. Hello, YouTube. Top of the morning to you. Having my coffee. Sitting out here on my terrace, porch, whatever people want to call it. And it's raining, as you can hear. You might not even be able to hear me. I don't know. Anyway, it's Monday morning. We do have plans today to be out and about. We're going to go pick up our registration for a little minivan. And we get another day closer to, we'll be heading to Cebu. We'll be heading out this coming Sunday. Visit a friend of ours. We'll probably stay about 3 days, I think, something like that. But I thought I'd give everybody a treat. When I wake up in the morning because we're having the rain. As you notice, I do have a metal roof and you can see the rain quite well. Too bad you can't see it. It's too dark. I can see it, but I don't think my camera will pick it up. It's actually a pretty good little downpour. It's been light rain when I first got up making my coffee. Of course, it steals my internet. And the rain records all the signal. That's okay. It's not the end of the world. Gotten used to it. Speaking of that, I have figured out something else about my internet. It got slow. Very slow. And I really thought it was the alignment of my antenna. That might have a little to do with it, but that's not really the big problem. I was sitting here last night thinking about it. And I decided to take the SIM out of my phone. And I put it in the modem. And I done a speed test. Well, guess what? It was 3 times the speed of the SIM that I use all the time in my modem. But now when I first bought that SIM, I could average about all day long and evening too, between 15 and 30 meg download, and it varied from 2 to 10 up for the first 30 days. Well, you know, in their app, if I stayed with the $4.99, says it's good for a single person, one device. If you upgrade to the $9.99 package, it's supposed to be unlimited data and no capping of the speed. Well, it's been bad since I subscribed. When I upgraded, it just went terrible. It's like somebody hit the brake. Of course, it's the Philippines. They can do what they want and get by with it. So what I'm going to do next month, when my subscription runs out, I'll just go out and buy me a SIM and get that 3 month data. It worked great for the first 30 days. That's my plan. I'm sticking to it. So, you know, it's kind of disturbing they do that. You know, especially when you're out in the jungle like I am, and you really want the internet, so you can stay in contact with friends and relatives. It makes it difficult. And you know, sometimes they just dead stops. It has full signal. For no reason, it just stops. I can do a reboot, and it still be stopped, and all of a sudden back up running again. And this, you know, if you're doing a video call, that's not good. Take a 10-minute break. That's basically what that does. When it stops, it's about 10 minutes. Anyway, we're actually between 5 and 10. Anyway, folks, that's my little rant this morning. Thank you again for subscribing and liking and sharing my videos. Well, everybody have a wonderful day, and we'll do this again hopefully soon. There's my boy Virgil. He wants to ask you all to do something.
Press the subscribe button and the notifications bell right below this video.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, folks. Please subscribe, like, and share.